I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750, we talk Pacifics. That Rose Gold compliment.
Alright, we are back, so this is interesting right here. Bad news, bad news, bad news. The bad news bearer. So, last night, I got into an accident. This is my first at-fault accident in my entire life. I'm 37 years old. I've never had an at-fault accident in my whole life, and it's my first one. And I could have tried to fight it, but I didn't. And I know, because I know I'm the reason it really happened. So, the point was, I was in the car. Alright, so let's start off. Let me just show you the pictures of last night. See all the pictures of last night. We got this the driver's side rear quarter panel. You gotta see if y'all can see it. Let me get my phone. It's the driver's side rear quarter panel. Then you see the wheel. I sideswiped, hit the car. See that white car? You can actually see it in the reflection. Got a picture of it too. That's the Jaguar right there, all freaking, you see the dents and stuff. Side swipe all the way down. Back corner, let me go back the other way. See the back corner by the fender, the wheel well, my whole rim scratched up. This actually took the majority of the impact, this wheel, because I got a wide, like my wheel sitting wider with offset, that actually protected the impact. I mean, it took the majority of the impact to where the car didn't get damaged as much. And that's the their car. Knocked the whole door in. All of that's pretty much, that whole door area is pretty much gone. It's like completely smashed in. Don't ask me why I got that. I was making fun of somebody. But the whole door panel smashed in. And that's my car right there. So let's tell you the story time. Let's tell you what happened and what's gonna happen. So it was 3 lanes on the interstate. 1, 2, 3. I'm in the far left, the fast lane, and I was riding up. Me and my boy was riding up. Roderick, you see all the freaking videos of bright light skinned dude. Was riding up. He was in the Mustang behind me. I was up. And we was going decent speed, probably going a little over the speed limit. I wasn't flying or racing or nothing like that. And it was coming up and had a car in the fast lane that didn't want to get over. So he was kind of trailing me. And I had this car in the middle lane. Once the car in front of me didn't want to get over, I had a car in the middle lane on side me. And he wants to speed up because he thinks I'm gonna try to jump the gap and get in front of him. So he speeds up and he starts doing this in a Corolla. It's a Toyota Corolla now. White Toyota Corolla, black guy, a little older black guy, and you could tell it's the high arc, you know, the high-minded, high-head type of individual, want to prove something by proving nothing. Well, he cuts me off and don't want to let me go back. So now my friend goes around, and shoots up the road because it was kind of like a little blockage. So this dude, I'm trying to see if he's gonna slow up. He's doing the same thing. So I throw on brakes. Swap over 1, two-lane change at one time. And before I completely come to a stop in the second lane, I gunned it. So what happened was, I'm coming over and my back come out, and because of the differential on this car, this freaking Jaguar got a hell of a serious differential. It corrects. So what happened was, them muggles correcting, and when it corrected, it brought my right back, and my right side fender swung, boom, right into their door. And I'm like, damn, tell me that didn't just happen. So I was going around, come around, fishtail, semi-fishtail, it corrects, boom, it slams me into their door. Because it overcorrected on the left side. When it overcorrected on the left side, it just crossed the line. Like, it probably crossed the line probably about a foot and a half. Went into their car, boom, hit their car, get off, boom, take pictures of the accident. That's what happened. All right, so now, after I took all the pictures and stuff, came home, I actually realized a lot of that stuff was paint. It looked a lot better on the pictures. So now that we're here, I actually buffed all the paint off the car this morning, and you can actually see all the raw damage now. So this is the worst of the worst, and a little bit right here, the door, right here, and right here. You can see the door right there, that right there, and down here, right here, and see my rim, because of my offset, see my rim took the impact. All this is why, because of my rim was sticking out, this is where majority of the impact was taken. It didn't go into the car more. If I had my stock wheel on, I'd have a lot more damage up in this area. All into the door, everything would be a lot more damage. Also I can tell the cracks kind of shifted right here, little shifting with this, and my door handle. Because of that, my door handle is now, it's like it might be separated from the car a little bit. So that's off, and it doesn't. See it? So that's messed up too. The door. See that? That's what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but it don't want to lock. I don't know why. Key's not in the car, whatever. But so yeah, that's where we at right now. So now, next thing I'm gonna do is when I get back, because I go out of town again this week. I work out of town a lot, so I can't just do everything during the week. Everything be taking slow a lot of times. So I go out of town, come back, take the car to Jaguar, let them do the quote on all the parts and stuff. After they do the quote, see what the number is, give it to my insurance, get them to pay it out, and get the car fixed. You know, so that's where we at right now. But the good side, I look at it as an opportunity to do some upgrades. What kind of upgrades? Now I got a couple things in mind. Let's start at the front of the car. I would like to put on an SVR front bumper, which I saw one online that actually had a crack on the front, like right here, which they selling for $700, which is a good possibility. But regardless, if that doesn't happen, I do want the open grill, the new project whatever grill, the P whatever grill. I'm gonna unwrap these, get those painted. Unwrap these, get these painted, and I'm also want to get these painted and unwrap these. I'd like to get all of that painted, actual paint, and be done with the wrapping, which it chips off and has to be replaced again over time. And that's the main thing. So, oh yeah, and the lip, I get the front lip. So that's pretty much what we have going on with the car, where we at with it. So again, the damage does not look nearly as bad as it looked it looks like more like a couple wrinkles in the car, and besides that little knot on the back, but it's not nearly as bad as I initially thought it was. So we're gonna go ahead and get this taken care of, man. I mean, but that's just the update on what's going on right now with the Project F. We get this situated, you know, small setbacks, major comebacks, you know what it is, though, man. So I'll holler at y'all later to the next video. Y'all know what it is. Deuces.